No GG call.
Yun na.
PC Mel.
This month.
Tudowski.
Go inside him, go inside him. Come in, walk in a bit, walk in a bit, walk in a bit. Walk in a bit.
Asking life curse.
Start brawling, start brawling, start brawling. Careful na front.
Re-engage on the back line.
Okay, copy, keep focus at this, keep focus at this. Come sa this, walk them, stop yun na, stop yun na. Look sa this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Walk in a brawl, 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 walk in a brawl. Walk in a brawl, walk in a brawl. Kill weeds now, kill weeds now, kill weeds, kill weeds, kill weeds, kill weeds, kill weeds. Keep walking northeast. They have engaged 10 seconds. Spread now, spread now.
Engage.
Go northeast. Wrap around them, wrap around them, wrap around. Careful north, careful north. Look southeast, 5 seconds southeast, northeast. Careful there, engaging. Deposit. Look southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Everything. One shot. Where's my DPS, man? So, Imperial site, what the fuck are you doing? Go, brawl. Keep rolling.
Minus 1 healer sila, minus 1.
Yeah, yes, keep rolling. 10 seconds, they have engaged. Don't quit. I don't know what namatay ka eh. Come southeast. They have engaged. Spread now. Spread as you go southeast.
Southeast healers.
Spread as you go southeast.
Wala, running na.
Catch.
Running na. Kila skin.
Find it.
Eto, Solis, unping. Ayun ni Solis. Si Asking nga dito.
Southeast daw.
Gago, di makakaso niyan. Kill. Nakazone ako sa bago. Wala, patay na.
Patay na!
Sa portal.
Anong item? Anong gamit niya?
Gago
Life
mo.
curse.
Life curse.
Life curse spray.
Kapido! Huli mo, Kapido!
Stop namin sa likod. Wala silang defensives doon.
Gago, nag-clump
Engage
sila
na.
kanina.
Mount up ka, Kapino. Mount up.
Meron pa ba? Hello?
Meron ba dito sa
Isa.
Ping. Okay.
Layo tang yan. Yo, careful ah. One shot, one gen. Careful.
Ay, one shot, one G.
Go west now. If you're not using on, go west.
Wala na laman yun nandyan, ano.
Ano, wala akong mana, please.
May tagalat sila gago.
Saan yung inuhuli nyo?
On the pin. Healer to, kaya
Puta
matagal.
dito magal, tol.
Wait lang, need nyo ko dyan.
1